was happy. Today was picnic day in the forest with her friends Mina, Grandpa, and Banjo, the dog. Bark, said Ivy. Let's get dressed. It's the picnic with Mina and Grandpa this afternoon. Ivy and Mark went shopping with Dad. They brought the food for their picnic. Ivy chose pineapple, watermelon, and chose cheese. Mark chose chocolate and cookie. This is yummy food for our picnic, said Mark. Oh no, where are the car keys? Said Dad. Ivy called Mom. Quick, Mom, said Ivy. Please bring your keys. They waited for Mom. I hate waiting, said Ivy. Nina is waiting too. I waited too, said Mark. I am hungry. Mom came on her bike with the key. Let's go, said Ivy. Bina is waiting for us and our picnic. Ivy and Mark washed the fruit and made us the salad. Quick, Dad, finish the sandwich, said Ivy. Yes, I'm making them, but I need to do this homework too, said Dad. Mom was on the phone. I'm sorry, Ivy, but Nina can't come to the picnic. Oh no, said Ivy. Why not? She fell and hurt her arm. Ivy was sad. Everything is going wrong. Mom was on the phone again. Hi, Dad, said Mom. What's your washing machine? What's the problem? There's water on the kitchen floor. Oh no, I can fix it for you. See you in 10 minutes. Don't go, Mom, said Ivy. It's our picnic day. I would like our picnic, said Mark. Sorry, Ivy. Sorry, Mark, said Mom. Grandpa needs me. No Mina, no Mom, no sandwich. No Grandpa, no Banjo, no the dog. This is a bad picnic day, said Ivy. Ivy and Mark were sad. I know, said Ivy. Let's have the picnic this evening in our garden. You can't have a picnic at night, said Mark. We can, said Ivy. We can make the picnic. We don't need Mom and Dad to help, said Ivy. Yes, we can do it, said Mark. Ivy went to her bedroom. She came down with a big bag. Mark, come with me, she said. Ivy and Mark put a rug on the ground. They put a lot of small lights on the tree. They carried the picnic things from the kitchen and put them on the rug. Mom came home and Dad finished his work. Ivy and Mark showed them the yard. It's fantastic, said Dad. Well done, Ivy. Well done, Mark. What a beautiful picnic, said Mom. There's only one more thing we need. Ivy, Mark, said Mom. Look, who is here? Mina, said Ivy. Grandpa and Banjo, said Mark. Mark clapped his hands. Look, there are stars in the trees, too. Look, said Ivy. It's the moon. You can have a picnic at night, said Mark, and he went to sleep.